Hey everyone, Luis here. Quick video, quick tip. I will show how I clean my VAT. It's something that many users ask on the Facebook groups and Discord groups and other groups that I participate. It's something I think interesting to show what I do, and maybe it can help some of the users, especially the beginners that do not have an idea on what to use and what to do to clean the VAT on a efficient way, okay? So stick with me, it will be a quick video, and if you did not subscribe yet, please consider to subscribe to be notified for future contents like this, okay? So let's go. So first thing, I have here my VAT filled with resin, okay? I printed that in my FDM printer just to help me to pour the resin easily. What I have here is this funnel, okay? This funnel is from SOVOL. It's a SOVOL funnel. It's very good, I like it. I just put it here, see? And first you need to leave your VAT there, just pouring all the resin that you have. And another tool that I have is this. This is a silicone spatula for kitchen. I just could here be easier to reach the corners of the VAT, and then I come here and do that. Okay. As you can see, it's all already drained. The next step is I use my spray with IPA here and just do that. And one thing that I like to use is this paper tissue here. This paper tissue is super cheap. I buy it in the supermarket for, I don't know, €1 or something like that. You probably have that there in US or other countries. Very cheap too. It's nose paper tissue. It's very soft, so it's a good alternative to use on the VAT, okay? I just came here and I do a good pass with this paper, and as you can see, it's almost completely clean just with this small pass. Just get more. I do the same on the other side. My VAT is completely cleaned. Super easy, super fast, pristine. That's it. Thanks for watching. Hope it was helpful for you. See you next time. Bye.